Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of entering customer points opening balance in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Enter Customer Points Opening Balance module. Select the customer for which you want to add an opening balance, and then click on Refresh. The selected customer's details are now successfully reflected. Now, you can enter the opening balance date along with the corresponding opening balance for each customer. Let's proceed to enter the opening balance date. To apply the same value for entire columns, simply press the F2 key, select the required date, and it will be automatically applied to the entire column in a single action. Now, let's enter the customer points opening balance. After updating the details, save the data. This is how customer points opening balance can be updated manually within this module. Let's verify the updated points opening balance for one of these customers in the billing module. Let us now proceed with billing for this customer, whose opening point balance is 10. Enter the same customer name. As you can observe, the opening balance of 10 points is correctly reflected in the customer's loyalty points. Let's proceed with the transaction for this customer. Upon saving, the available discounts window will open, displaying the applicable customer's points-wise discount. To redeem the point discount, simply select it and click OK. A confirmation message will then appear on the screen, showing the total points earned along with their corresponding value. If you wish to redeem the points on the current bill, click Yes. You can now view the detailed points earned, including the per point value as defined in the customer point configuration. Enter the number of points you wish to redeem for this bill, click OK, and then save the bill. Let us also learn how customer points opening balance can be entered by importing an Excel file. We have already prepared an Excel sheet. Let us now import it. Select the Retrieve from Excel option, click on the Excel icon to browse and choose the file, and then click on Refresh. As you can see, the imported details are accurately reflected here. This is how customer points opening balance can be updated for multiple customers simultaneously within this module. Let's also verify the points opening balance for this customer in the billing module, whose opening balance is 5. As you can see, the opening point balance is correctly reflected, confirming that the Excel sheet has been imported successfully. Let's redeem the points and save the bill. Let us now take a quick look at the Customer Point Ledger report. Using this report, you can quickly and easily track detailed information related to customer loyalty points.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.